Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Calling the case of the Golden Ticket winners versus Mr. William Wonka. Are both sides ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Will the jury please stand and raise your right hand? Do each of you swear that you will return a true verdict according to the evidence and the instructions of this court? Please say, I do.
I do.
You may be seated. I call William Wonka, the accused, to the stand.
I swear that the evidence I shall give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
William Wonka, you are charged with causing serious harm to 4 young children, and in addition, the importation and use of slaves. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Let's call Augustus Group to stand.
One last question, Augustus. Did Wonka try to get you out of the river or even try to shut down the pipes?
No.
No further questions.
Call Miss Violet for a record.
So Mr. Wonka told you that the gun was not right?
Violet, please answer the question.
Well, yes, he told me it was not right.
Beautifully. Oh my, what lovely soup this is. It's changing. The second course is coming up. It's roast beef. It's tender and juicy. Oh boy, what a flavour. I realised that he invented a teleporter and they offered to test it. He simply cared about his chocolate, which drove me crazy. If you give someone a gun, knowing that they're going to shoot themselves, aren't you responsible too?
But who's pulling the trigger? No further questions.
Ruka, I'm reading about your day toy.
No comment! Daddy! Daddy! I want this person away from me right now! Daddy! Daddy! I'm not talking to her about the squirrel!
Violet, are you feeling better or you are still chewing gum?
Of course! I'm right behind gum. I just adore gum! I can't do without it. I'm munching it all day long. Except from a few minutes out of times when I take it out and stick it behind my ear.
Do you have slaves in your factory, Mr. Wonka?
No, I don't have slaves in my factory.
What about the workers at Michael TV this ride?
They're Oompa Loompas imported from Liverpool.
Oompa Loompas, you work at Mr. Wonka's factory for free?
No, we're paid in cacao beans.
Cacao beans is not money.
Cacao beans are a form of money. Ancient civilizations used cacao beans as a form of currency. Willy Wonka is a kind and caring man who we wish to stay with. We have the proof that Mr. William Wonka is guilty. We have seen it today. Look at those children.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you have 1 minute to decide if William Wonka is guilty or not guilty.
Please raise your right hand if you find Mr. William Wonka guilty. Yes! Mr. William Wonka